Alright, today we're going to start building this large workbench. So you can see it's from whatever website that is. So this isn't exactly the way I want it, so I made some different dimensions. If we flip to this back page, you can see here it's supposed to be 72 by 36 by 34. I want to do 42 by 42 and 72. So I already bought some casters. They're 6 inches tall, so I'm just going to use that as a measurement, and then I can get these measurements off of that. So first thing we're going to do is grab some 2x6 and do these upright pieces, which are right here. So 1, 2, 3, which are going to make 28.5 for our dimensions. Alright, so a bit of context here. We have this piece of plywood set up on some sawhorses right now. And basically, we found that we really enjoy having it. So, what we want to do is build a proper rolling bench. So it's going to be 3.5 feet by 3.5 feet tall by 6 feet long. And it's going to sit right against here. We're going to end up putting like a tarp or curtain right here as a divider so that hopefully the dust doesn't get into the rest of the shop, because all it does is cover everything else in there, which we really don't enjoy having because it just gets everything filthy. So that's the plan. Found this awesome template online. I'll throw the link to that website in the description. And let's do some more cutting. Okay, so we haven't gotten everything done, but I'm going to go ahead and assemble the lower shelf. So that's with these 33-inch pieces for mine and these 66-inch pieces, and just get going because I only have about half an hour left. Alright, so we got that sitting there. I still haven't made this piece because I have a piece in the shed that I want to use. I'm too lazy to go down to the shed right now, but that's set for now. And then we got these two, which are going to be the front faces or the front and back face for the top. These two are going to be for the legs. These two are going to be for the middle of the top shelf. I'm actually thinking this one might be an outside one because we're probably going to paint it gray anyways. And then I can use this longer board with some knots and whatnot for the inside ones, because you'll never be able to see those because they'll be on the ground. After that, I went ahead and built the legs, and then I'm putting everything together here. And listen to this.
You're only at 37 inches. I think I only went up 2 inches.
So as you can see there, I totally messed up. I didn't account for the plans having the caster already in there, so I ended up being 6 inches too low on the bench because I thought the caster didn't count towards the overall height of it, which it did in the plans. Just wanted to show you that because we all make mistakes. In the end, we just cut some new boards, got some new legs on there. That's what I'm doing right now, slapping them together, and the bench turned out great. Okay, so we got these casters, 30 bucks on Amazon, and to be honest, their quality looks really good for what they are. So as you can see there, the bench is really sturdy, so now we're just going ahead and slapping these casters on, which we're really happy with. They lock nicely, they sit there nicely, and the bench is nice and solid. Alright, so finish off the bench today. We're really happy with the way it came out. We do plan to paint it, but what we did today, put this lower shelf on, and then originally we weren't going to just do an OSB top, but we had it laying around, so we cut off a piece, and we're going to use it for now. If we get fed up with having the strands of stuff here, we might just put a 1/4-inch top on it of plywood. That's alright. Lower shelf, got the extra miter saw, a sander, the planer right there, and then the mini lathe, and then these casters, I'll put a link down in the description for Amazon. They were great, really happy with them. They're like $8 a piece, which is a pretty good deal for a 5-inch caster. And overall, really happy with the way it came out. So if you like stuff like this, subscribe, hit the like button, and hope to see you in the next video.